This is going to be a video product review of the FITINDEX electric foam roller. It has 4 speeds. It has vibration from 1400 RPM up to 2600 RPM. It's a high intensity massage roller with rechargeable batteries in there, so it's got an AC adapter. Let me take it out of the box now, show you what this is all about. Tiredness, muscles, relaxation, cosmetic. I'm going to show you what this whole thing is about. If you've ever used a massage roller before, you know how wonderful they are. The only problem is that they do not massage. They are foam rollers, and you get the benefit of the foam, but you don't get any massage. Not true with this. This is a foam roller with the massage feature. And it's rechargeable, so you can get up to 3 hours of massage out of this. This is the massage roller. It has the AC adapter in there. On the end, let's see, over here we have the power button. We have lights that will show you, well, you can see it right now. You can hear it. Look at this. It's incredible. You can see my hands moving around. So we have the power button. That's the 2nd speed. 3rd speed. Wow, is that intense. Oh, yes. This is wonderful. Make sure you check out the video description. There will be an Amazon affiliate link. You can order this directly from Amazon. So why do you use something like this? You use this, you put this on the floor, you take this at right below your shoulders, and you roll this up and down to your lower back. This will relax all the muscles in the back. It will do trigger point therapy. You can do this with your arm. You can lay down on your arm. In fact, they had a photo of that. I want to show you that photo right now. If you're a bike rider, if you are doing yoga, if you have cycling pains in your lower legs, you put the roller on the floor and you roll your body so that it massages the back of the leg. If you do this, if you're a jogger, you do this at the quads, the glutes, turn over and do this at the front. You will not believe how tight these muscles are. You do this at the back, the same thing. You do this at the back of the, on your back, your shoulders. You do it on the hips if you have pain in the hips from climbing up ladders or just doing a lot of excessive exercising. This is going to be very beneficial. So I'm going to put this on the floor now and show you what it looks like just doing it for the bottom of your feet for plantar fasciitis. Here we have the massage roller from FITINDEX on the floor. I'm going to press the button in the middle. Oh. So when I take my feet off of there, you can see and feel the vibration. When I put my feet on there, it's a very mild, very relaxing. I think a lot of people who just want to sit on the sofa, sit in the chair, sit there and watch TV. This is very mild, so it's not going to irritate you. It's not going to bother you. It's very soothing and calming. For me, I like the more intense speeds, so I've got this on the 2nd speed, and now I am feeling this up into my quads. I'm feeling this right above my knees. Feels really nice. If you were on the floor, like I said, you would put this right at your shoulder blades and you would roll back and forth and bring this all the way down to your hip area, to your lower back, and you would get an this is how you would do it. You would get an incredible amount of massage therapy. I'm going to go to the 3rd setting now. Now we're talking. This is what I like. This is intense. This feels really good. And if you don't want to do this on the floor, you can put this on your bed, lay down on your bed. You can get a wonderful foot massage, very relaxing. It's quiet. Nobody's going to hear this in the next room. Nobody's going to hear this if you're watching TV with somebody. Very soothing, very peaceful. And this is what I love, the powerful 4th speed. Oh my God. I could sit in this chair or lay down on the bed and put this on my feet for hours and hours and just get that muscle relaxation, all the tension leaving your body. It feels wonderful. The price is incredible. It is made by FITINDEX. It is their electric foam roller with 4 vibrating speeds for deep tissue trigger type massage for sports massage therapy, for helping the body relax and rejuvenate. Make sure you purchase this today. Before I post this review, I wanted to do an update. After I finished my review, I stood up and I honestly twisted my back out, just completely threw out the lower part of my back, and my hamstrings are killing me. And right at over here, it's really tight, it's just sore. And I couldn't stand, I was leaning over to the side. So I got on the floor and I put this at different parts of my back. Not so much to roll, as it's just an incredible massager. It really is. It's just, I kept it on the low setting, which I wasn't sure I was gonna like, but I kept it on the low setting. And I went from mid-back all the way to the bottom, which was just killing me. It was so sore and so tight. And then after that, the thing that I discovered is that this thing is really long. So I was able to use it and hold it on the lower part of my leg and use it as a massager. And I told you it was really tight at the top of right over here. So I held it there and I massaged, and then I put it into the bottom of the foot, and then I went up on the legs, and I swear, in about 15 minutes later, I stood up. Now, I'm not saying all the pain went away. I still have that tightness in the lower back. But this just saved me from having to go to the massage therapist or the chiropractor. This saved me. I am in hardly any pain right now because I use this not so much for the roller. I did use it for the roller, but my back was so tight. I was having such a hard time moving. I just held this on my legs and the front of my legs, my feet, and my right over here, the thighs and the lower back, and it's an incredible massager. You really should buy this if you have any tightness at all. You'll love this thing.